Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As part of our Python programming series, we are going to learn a new concept or a new thing. Before going to start our writing real codes, we need to know something basics. This is not only for Python language, C language, Java language, C++, whatever the programming language you are learning. This is must essential basic knowledge or some basic rules, principles of coding. Okay, it will be a very less 2 to 3 rules, but whoever the people who are watching my videos from starting out of the three or four rules which I am telling, you people already know 2 to 3 rules. Okay, let's discuss what are the different rules. Okay, and first you can start whatever the language you want, but in this I am talking about it is applicable to every language. First 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 rule: execution. Execution is sequential. Okay, sequential means, for example, if you have written 100 lines of code, 100 lines of code till 100, the execution will come like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, line by line only. It will not go first one, next three, next seven, next two, like this. It will not execute. It will come in the sequence. However the write you will however the code you will write, the execution will become like this. It will happen line by line, line by line. It will happen. So this is the first condition. Okay, for example, if a boy or if a girl, whoever writing print A, next print B, A value is 10, B value is 20. In their entire career or anywhere in the world, if they execute this program, it will print 10. After that, it will print 20. It is correct. It cannot print 20 first 10. The computer will not happen the execution like this, random order. It will happen from top to bottom, and it is sequential, line by line only it will go. Okay, it will not ambling in a jumbling order. Okay, this is the first thing. Next, 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 next thing is case sensitive. What is case sensitive? Already we know. A people writing A is equals to 10 and capital A is equals to 20, print A will print 10. Again print capital A will print 20. Clear? Both A and small a, capital A and small a, both are different. Both are not same. This is case sensitive. If a person writing small a, it has some different variable. If a person writing capital A, both are different. This is the point which we are telling from the second point, case sensitive. Clear? This is the thing, second point. Next, deterministic output. Deterministic output means, deterministic output means wherever you go in the entire world, wherever the python compare if you take python program, if you execute all over the world, anytime within the 24 hour, anytime, even if there is a probability of February 30th, which is not possible, if it is also possible, think if it is possible, then also you will get same output. 365 days 24 hours, if you run the same program, you will get the same output. This is the meaning of deterministic output. Okay, next, one more thing. This is the main thing which you want to learn. Every program, any program, if you have given input, output, in between process. So see, you will be given with some input for every program or every question or every software which you are writing the code or anything. You will be given with some input, means you will take some input and you will process it to become the output. For example, if you take flour, some ingredients, vegetables, you will prepare khichdi. Raw material is input, output what is khichdi is output, and the process is cooking whatever the thing you are do. Similarly here also, see, input output, and whatever the process you will do, you will get the output. But this is input, this is output. We'll use some other input, output. So there may be multiple ways. For example, if a guy is writing like this code, he will get the same output. If a person chooses this way, still output is same for every process. If I write, you write, any programmer writes, input and output must be same, but the process they can write how they knows. For example, see here, small code, a is equals to 10, double quotes 10, and I am writing a is equals to int of a, and I am writing print type of a. Next, one guy come today and he will write a is equals to int of, like this, just print type of a. What is the output for both the case? Output, it will print class of int. Here also class of int. Both the programs, we know, right? Every program must have same input and same output. Same input and same output. But the process, see here, we did in 2 lines. This guy did in 1 line. But input and output must match. These three things you remember. Input, output must match. Process can be anything. Just compare. Your friend wrote a code in 100 lines. You wrote in 50 lines. Does not matter. Input, output, matching or not. This one will be checked. Okay? Clear? Thank you for watching. From next video, we'll start with some questions and we'll explore the Python programming language. If you really like this video, please give a like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Thank you.